Have you ever wondered why your PC starts lagging, stuttering, or completely freezes up the moment you launch a heavy game or open a video editing timeline? You check your task manager. You see you have 16 GB of RAM, but your PC is still screaming for help. Why? It's because of a hidden memory trap inside Windows called standby data. It usually helps programs or applications to open up faster. But it's like your PC's stomach is literally too full to digest anything new. But today I'm going to show you a 100% free official Microsoft trick to instantly flush this hidden junk out and get your maximum PC performance back. No third-party bloatware, no fake cleaner apps, just pure speed. Think of your RAM like a dining table. Windows likes to keep old plates and half-eaten food on the table, called cached data, just in case you want to snack on them later. It thinks it's being helpful, but when you want to serve a massive feast like a heavy game or a 4K rendering project, there's no room left on the table. The system chokes, your FPS drops, and your PC lags. To fix this, we need to clear the table completely before we start the feast. First, let's look at the proof. Press Ctrl, Shift and Escape to open the task manager. Or you can right-click on the taskbar and from there open the task manager. Go to Performance and click Memory. Look right here at the cached or standby section. See those gigabytes sitting there doing absolutely nothing? Let's reclaim them. Go to Google and search for rammap. Make sure you only download it from the official Microsoft website. This is a trusted internet tool built by Microsoft engineers, so it's completely safe and incredibly lightweight. Download the zip file and extract it. Now look closely. I've kept the task manager open on the left so you can see the magic happen. Open rammap, go to the top menu, click on Empty, and then select Empty Standby List. Watch the task manager on 3, 2, 1. Boom! Look at that. Gigabytes of trapped RAM instantly flushed back into active service. Your PC now has all the breathing room it needs to tackle your heaviest tasks smoothly. Do this right before you launch any heavy software and you'll notice an immediate difference in stability and responsiveness. If this trick saves your PC from lagging today, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment below letting know how much RAM you just freed up, and I'll see you in the next one.